eSoft में. eSoft जो है, मैं गुजर रहा था बस यहाँ से, तो इनका सेटअप मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो आई थॉट कि मैं इनसे पूछता हूँ कि व्हाट इट्स ऑल अबाउट, क्योंकि इन्होंने सेटअप बड़ा अच्छा बनाया हुआ है. तो आई एम विद द मैनेजर हियर. हाय ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू?
Hello. Yeah, I'm good. Take a seat. So,
So what is eSoft?
Okay, so eSoft is a leading educational provider in Sri Lanka.
Okay.
So we have more than 42 branches in island wide.
Uh-huh.
So this is the premier center. So we are providing, you can see these cubicles, we are providing one-on-one classes in here.
Okay.
In premier center. So we are providing like IELTS, JRE, other languages like Chinese, French, those classes we are providing.
So this whole setup is just for education.
Education, only for education.
So these cabins that you have made, these
Only
are
for the individual classes.
so one-on-one classes.
One-on-one classes will be going on in these cubicles.
I see. So is it like is it happening now?
Nowadays it's going via online due to the government restriction due to Corona.
Okay.
No, normal days we are having classes in these cubicles, and we are having a lab also. So if you have like minimum people like 3 to 4 people, we can able to arrange a class in the lab.
Okay. So when you say one-on-one, and this is a kind of type of class that you're giving, and mostly it's about IELTS and TOEFL and all those
Yes.
things, right? So how is it happening? So if I come here, if I walk by, how do we register for it, and what's the process that you have?
Okay, so we will ask you like what you need exactly. So some people might need the IELTS, some people might need the TOEFL, PT, depends on the people's desire. We will decide, and we will talk about the fees plans and all. Normally we are having the class as 20 hours.
Okay.
So since it's an individual class, there is no timetable at all. You can customize your timetable due to your lectures vacant time and your vacant time.
Okay.
So you can customize that 20 hours as 1 hour class or 2 hour class. That depends on you.
Ah, I see. That's really interesting. And when the days are normal and we don't have any corona and stuff, do you have a lot of tutors here?
Yes. We have different tutors. We have almost like guitar classes going on. Live music classes.
So it's not just about TOEFL or IELTS.
No. I'm just saying in TOEFL and IELTS as an example because most of the people are coming for that.
How many branches you guys have of eSoft in Colombo?
In Colombo itself, we have 4 branches.
Okay.
In all over Sri Lanka, we have more than 40 branches.
40 branches?
40 branches we have.
Right. And the type of classes that you conduct apart from TOEFL and IELTS?
Yes. There are like a few more. It's eSoft group normally.
Okay.
So another one, all the 42 branches are called as eSoft Metro Campus. So we are providing starting from certificate level up to PhD. And we are combined with 2 universities. One is London Metropolitan University. Another one is Kingston University, UK.
So
we are affiliated with those universities. So we are providing diplomas, MScs and PhD as well from those kind of universities.
Oh, so it's kind of a virtual?
No, we are having the normal classes. Nowadays it's virtual. And otherwise our lecturer will come to the classes and have the class.
So for example, if I am studying in a university in UK,
okay,
and I'm not visiting UK at the moment, so I can come and take classes over here?
Classes here. In fact, we are calling for students from Afghanistan, Pakistan, Philippines, Maldives, Bangladesh, Indians, Nigerian, Kenyans, all kinds of people are coming here because they don't have money to spend in UK. So they are coming here to study first 2 years.
Okay.
This means we call it as Higher National Diploma to study in Sri Lanka. After that, for the top up, which means the final year of degree, they are visiting UK to complete their degree.
I see. So if somebody from those countries come here, they just come to you on this desk.
No,
they register.
We will register all those things via online. They have to make their international payment. We will guide you from the airport pickup.
Okay.
We will take you from the airport and we will do a city tour and we will arrange the accommodation for 1 month and we will give all the city tours and what about Colombo, so they will get an idea, so they can able to find their part-time job and continue their studies in Sri Lanka.
Very nice. So the part-time studies will happen here, like these kind of cubic.
No. Part-time studies we are having in our head office, which is in Colombo 4.
I see.
It's called as Bambalapitiya. So we have the it's a huge building, like 9 stories building. We are having all our lecture class with them.
Completely got it. So it's kind of university setup, but this is kind of a outlet to it.
Outlet to is it's a One Golf Face Mall is it's a shopping mall, so it's like an information center. So
I see.
anyone can walk by. Let's say you are having a degree, if you want to do some masters and all, we can provide all the information, and you can register here itself.
I see.
So apart from the information system, we have this cubicle through these classes.
Can I go and take a look at the cubicle center from inside?
No worries, just you can come.
So guys, as the manager explained, that this is a cubicle center, kind of education system where if you want to get some classes, so you can book some training from online, from their website and stuff, and you can come inside and have a one-on-one classes. Due to COVID at the moment, government haven't allowed to get the classes, but hopefully जब COVID खत्म हो जाएगा तो they will be able to resume their classes inside. लेकिन द कॉन्सेप्ट जो है इट्स रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. ये जो कैबिन्स हैं ये आई लव देम, क्योंकि अभी जब हम वॉक कर रहे थे यहाँ से तो इट वाज जस्ट अमेजिंग टू सी हाउ दे हैव मेड दिस स्पेस. सो आई एम गोना गो इनसाइड वन ऑफ दीज कैबिन्स एंड शो यू व्हाट इट इज. सो एज द गाय सेड कि यहाँ पे दो लोग ऑब्वियसली बैठ सकते हैं. यहाँ पे ट्यूटर बैठ सकता है, स्टूडेंट बैठ सकता है. They have this very sophisticated system set up ताकि बआसानी जो है वो they can teach और they can learn from it. अगर आप देखें, जैसे मैं इस कैबिन में एंटर हुआ तो ये साउंड प्रूफ है. अभी मैंने दरवाज़ा जो है वो बंद नहीं किया, लेकिन इट्स साउंड प्रूफ. जैसे ही मैं एंटर हुआ देयर इज़ नो नॉइस इन इट. तो अब मैं इसको बिल्कुल क्लोज करके देखता हूँ इफ देयर इज़ एनी साउंड. साउंड इज़ गॉन. बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग, बड़ा ही यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट है. आई जस्ट लव इट. देर आर सो मेनी अदर वेज, सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स जो इससे हो सकती हैं, बट द आइडिया इज जस्ट सुपर, जस्ट अमेजिंग. सो यू कैन यूज दिस आइडिया टू जो भी आप अपने कंट्री में करना चाहते हैं. उन्होंने अभी 1 2 3 4 5 6 जो कैबिन्स हैं इन्होंने अभी सेटअप किए हैं, तो आप इस पे कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
We have the lab also. So if you have people of maximum 3 to 4 people, we can able to conduct the classes here as well.
So अगर आपके 2 से 3 लोग, अगर ज़्यादा लोग आ जाते हैं और आपने क्लासेस लेनी है टीचर से, तो ये ओपन मॉल है. मॉल के अंदर आप आके एंटर होके आप इस तरह से क्लासेस दे सकते हैं. एक चीज़ जो मैं बड़ा ही एडमायर करता हूँ इस प्लेस के बारे में, दैट इज़ इनफ स्पेस है. आपके पास सारे इक्विपमेंट्स हैं, फ्रॉम वाईफाई टू द वेरी नाइस कैबिन्स. अब इसके अंदर साउंड नहीं है, साउंड प्रूफ सिस्टम है. यू हैव नाइस लाइटिंग ऑन इट. एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट परफेक्ट इन दिस एरिया. सो पार्टीशन हुई हुई है. आई थिंक यू हैव 2 of these cabins, right?
Sorry?
You have 2 of these
cabins?
cabins?
Only lab is one. That's like a store room.
Okay.
And all the cubicles and labs are coming with the unlimited internet connection as well. So
I see.
You can use the internet as well.
So guys, if you have any interest in coming to Sri Lanka, especially in Colombo, and if you're in Colombo, you should come to this Golf Face Mall, which have this eSoft shop here, or I would say office and stuff. But this is just superb, Look at this this space that they have made, and it's really interesting. Do come and visit this place. Let me know what you think about it, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.